This is not just a matboard. See, although it looks like a simple border around a piece of art, it's more than that, and actually quite complex. This matboard represents over 115 years of hard work and engineering. This matboard is the pride and livelihood of over 20 people as they come in contact with it before it's put into a frame. It possesses a quality like no other, and a value that's unparalleled. It represents passion, persistence, dedication, and creativity. This matboard is a family legacy. And although it looks like a simple border around a piece of art, it's more than that. This matboard is a Peterboro Matboard.